Logistics is what people do to create values in terms of time, space, and manufacturing. Everything begins with AM chain. From automated machinery to our food, from the warehousing and logistics industry to our lives. Everything we love is tightly linked like our chains. Each chain we produce plays a crucial role in mechanical power transmission. With an international focus, we provide services to every corner of the world. We strive for sustainability and create a wonderful life for every user. Amazing power transmission.